What's up, guys? We're back with another cottage cheese recipe. Thanks to the sponsor of this recipe, Caraway. If you're looking for a high protein sauce that you can make in minutes, you're gonna love this one. So let's jump right into it. We're gonna start this by taking out our Caraway stainless 4.5 quart saute pan and preheating it over medium heat. If you didn't know, the easiest way to tell if your stainless pan is preheated is by simply throwing some water into it. If it sizzles and evaporates, it's not hot enough. If the water beads and dances across the surface like this, you're good to go. Once preheated, add in 1 tablespoon of oil. I like going with avocado when I use stainless for its high smoke point. Continue with 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and let that cook for 1 to 2 minutes. From here, add in 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Keep everything moving while it cooks till most of your juices have cleared. This should take around 7 to 10 minutes. Remove your pan from the heat to cool and take out a blender. Add your mix into your blender, followed by 3/4 a cup of cottage cheese and half a cup of broth. Blend those together until smooth. 2 quick tips here. Number 1, the higher in fat your cottage cheese is, the creamier your sauce will be. Regardless, it's all delicious. Number 2, if you want a thinner sauce, use more broth. Now here's the part where you choose what you want to pour this over. I'm going with pasta today, so I'm going to take out my Caraway stainless 3-quart saucepan and prepare my pasta however my box says to. While that's preparing, let's talk about the sponsor of this recipe, Caraway, which is a non-toxic kitchenware brand that offers high-quality essentials that upgrade your at-home cooking experience. These awesome 5-ply steel and non-toxic pans that we use today also come with a lifetime warranty. In my time using them with induction heating, I can only say good things. The 4-piece set I used comes with lids, a hanger to organize them, and these magnetic pan holders, which I thought was a nice touch. If you're looking to upgrade or purchase some new stainless pans, I'd recommend this Caraway stainless steel cookware set. You'll save 20% by bundling the set, and additionally, get another 10% off by using my promo code ProteinChef. I'll have the link and code in the description below if you'd like to check them out. Speaking of checking stuff out, our pasta is done, which means it's time to pour our sauce over it. In the end, it should look like this. Some other tips for this one. Number 1, make it in bulk and store it in the fridge so you always have some extra ready to go. Number 2, pour this over rice, meatballs, vegetables, and so on. You don't have to limit yourself to pasta. Number 3, for more protein, you can add in chicken, ground turkey, or even tuna. Number 4, don't be scared to change up the flavor or add some heat to the recipe with herbs, seasonings, or spices. I'll put some of my other favorite variations on the website with their metric conversions, always linked up here or below in the description. And number 5, if you're using stainless, salt your food once it's hot to prevent calcium deposits from forming pit marks on the surface of your cookware. With that said, the winner of our last test in your guesstimating was bang. Congrats to you. For this week's testing your guesstimating, we're gonna go with this much oil. How much do you think it weighs in grams? One guess per person in the comments below, and the winner will get a shaker or shirt. Thank you all for watching, and to Caraway for sponsoring this recipe. Hit that thumbs up button for more cottage cheese recipes. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.